Hello there! In this video, I want to share with you 3 reasons why I believe hands-on activities are one of the most powerful tools for collaboration, learning, and enabling transformation. As a maker myself, I love using my hands to design, make, and create. I've experienced firsthand many times during my career how powerful it is when we build objects with our hands and let ourselves apply all of that creativity we have within us to start seeing ourselves as creators and even inventors. The first reason is that making is an act of joy, empowerment, and love. The Maker Movement Manifesto says that making is fundamental to what it means to be human. We must make, create, and express ourselves to feel whole. We've been making for at least 1.6 million years, when during the Stone Age, we created cutting stone tools using hammer stones. And we don't only make to fulfill our most basic needs for food or safety. Making is also a way to fulfill our psychological and self-actualization needs. Research by the Academy of Marketing Science Review has shown that people who engage in making activities feel a sense of empowerment, accomplishment, community belonging, and even an enhanced sense of identity. The second reason is that we learn better when we make. Hands-on activities are infinitely powerful tools for learning. A research study conducted by Purdue University in 2011 compared test results of 2 groups of students who learned about water quality. One group using hands-on methods and another group using more traditional learning methods. The group that built water filtration systems with their hands had consistently higher test scores than the group that only learned via true-false statements and open questions. The third reason is that hands-on activities can be therapeutic. Most of us have at least once had the experience of feeling completely devoted to and invested in an arts and crafts activity, like knitting or woodworking. Making is an effective reducer of stress and anxiety, and it also helps provide emotional release. This is because our bodies release dopamine, a feel-good chemical, when we're using our creativity and being artistic. Many indigenous groups have for centuries been doing hands-on activities as part of their communal practices. Gladys Santos, a leader from Waxin, our nonprofit partner for 2021, and a Mixteca woman, believes that the traditional palm weaving done by families in her home village of Diquiju in the Mixteca Sierra of Oaxaca plays a critical role in healing. And these 3 are only a few reasons why hands-on activities can be transformative. In my own work across many countries, languages, and cultures, I've found working with hands to be a magical thread that weaves connection with ourselves and with others. As someone living and working in an increasingly digital world, I treasure the moments in which I get to touch wood to repair my home's door, color my ideas with crayons during a brainstorming session with my co-founder Liz, or fold paper to build a paper toy during one of our team building workshops. Ultimately, I believe that the gift I can give to others while I am in this world is just that, the facilitation of transformational hands-on experiences.